Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start with this month March problems daily challenge, and today I'm going to solve day 1 problem of this month. And if you guys haven't started solving daily problems, so you can start it from today to earn a badge on LeetCode. Previously we have completed the Feb month badge, and now we are going to start with March month, and I'm going to make daily videos. Okay, so you guys can subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 2864, that is maximum odd binary number. So let's read the problem statement first, because reading the problem statement is also very important before directly jumping to the solution part. Okay, so in this problem we have given a binary string s, and that contains at least one. Okay, so there is always one in our binary string, so this condition is given. Okay, and we have to rearrange the bits in such a way that the resulting binary number is the maximum odd binary number that can be created from this combination. Okay, and we have to return a string representing the maximum odd binary number that can be created from the given combination. Note that the resulting string can have leading zeros. Okay, so first before solving this problem, let's understand what are the binary numbers. Okay, so in binary form I can write okay, so let's see this first. So these are the binary numbers like 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the bits, let's say 16 and 32. Okay, this is one way to write. So here to write 1, I am going to write it like this: 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is the way to write 1 in bits, right? Okay, in the binary form we have to write 2. For 2 I am going to write it like this. Okay, I am going to write like this. This is for 2. This is for 2. And for 3 we can write like this, right? So this is how we write 3 in bits. Okay, so we have to rearrange the bits in such a way that the resulting binary number is the maximum odd binary number that can be created from this combination. So here one thing is clear. This first bit is the only bit which is required to make a number odd. Okay, because after that you see this is 2, this bit value is 4, here 8, 16, 32 and so on. After 32 it is going to be 64, 128, right? Because all these are coming in the power of 2, right? This 1 is nothing but 2 power 0, this 2 is nothing but 2 power 1, this 4 is nothing but 2 power 2. Okay, so every other bit is going to be in even number, right? 2 power 3. So all the bits are going to be in even number. Okay, only bit, if we set our first bit to 1, okay, in that case we are always going to get the odd number. Okay, so we have to set our last bit as 1 in all the cases. Okay, because here in the problem it is given that a binary string s always contain at least 1. Okay, so we have to set our last bit 1 always. So this condition is must. Okay, and now for this example string s is given as 0 1 0. Okay, so here we have set our last bit. Okay, so originally this was the number, that is nothing but 1 2 0. So 2 was the number, so now it becomes 1. Okay, now it becomes 1 if we read it in our form, okay, number format. So it is nothing but 1, because there is just one, it must be in the last position, so the answer is 0 0 1. When our string is 0 1 0, so first one we have set in the end, and the second one we have to set in the first position, right? So here 0 1 0. Okay, can I write it like this? 1, this is in bit form 1 2 4 8. Okay, this is how I am going to write this number 0 1 0 1. Okay, now to this is now to make the odd number. We have to make the odd number, so definitely we have to always set our last bit as 1. This is fixed because only then our number will be odd. Okay, and to make the maximum number we have to set this one in the first position of our string, right? So our new number is going to look like this. So now see, this is the maximum odd number, 1 here and in 1 here. So we have to set the numbers 1 at the end and other ones starting from this one. Okay, starting from this position. So let's say a string is like this given to me: 0 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so to make this string as a maximum odd binary string, so first bit I have to set at one odd position, and these two bits I have to start from here, 1 1 and other zeros like this. Okay, 1 1 0 0. Okay, this is how I'm going to form. So one bit should always be in the end, and other bits should be from the starting position. Okay, from the starting position I have to include all the bits. So in order to solve this problem, what I'm going to do, I'm going to count the number of ones in my string. Okay, I'm going to count the number of ones in my string, and I will place one in the end always, and for other numbers I am going to fill one new char array, and I'm going to fill the remaining ones from the first position. Okay, so if there are two ones, so one is in the end and one I'm going to start from filling from the first position and add the remaining zeros here as well. Okay, so this way I'm going to solve this problem. So now let's write the code for this one. So first let's calculate the length of our string. Int n is equal to s dot length. Okay, so here I have calculated the length of my string. Now once we have calculated the length of string, let's create one char array. Okay, so let's name this array as result, and same size, let's pass the same size n here. Okay, this is done. Now let's fill our array with all 0 bits. Okay, arrays dot fill. I am filling my result array with 0 bits. Okay, now all the bits are set to 0. Okay, this is done. Now after that, let's calculate the number of ones in my string. So for that I'm going to use my for each loop, char c in our string s, convert it to char array. So this is how we convert any string to char array. Okay, and if my char c is equal to 1, okay, if this character value is 1, then I am going to increment the count. Okay, but we haven't initialized the count, so let's initialize our count as well. Int count is equal to 0. Let's start from count as -1. Okay, count as -1 because one bit we always need to set in the end. So this is my result array. Okay, so in my result array, let me set a result of n-1 as 1 because this last bit is always set to be 1. Okay, and it is given in our problem that s contains at least 1 1. Okay, so I've set the last bit to 1 to make any number as odd number, and for the remaining count I'm going to run one while loop. So initially set int I is equal to 0. Okay, now while my count is greater than 0, if my count is greater than 0, then I am going to fill my char array result of I with nothing but 1. Okay, number of counts I have calculated already. Now I am going to fill the bits from starting position until my count is greater than 0. So I have result I is 1. Now count, decrement the count and increment the I. Okay, this is done. This while loop is completed. Now in the end, just we have to return our result. Okay, so let's new string and pass our char array here. So what is our char array name? Result. Now let's run the problem and see if our test cases has been passed or not. int count is equal to -1. Okay, so all the test cases has been accepted. So here this is the only one, so we place this one in the end. Okay, two ones in our string, one at the starting and one at the end. Okay, if there are three ones, let's say if there are this is the string given to us. Now let's run it. So it is going to place one in the end, and all other ones are from starting point. Okay, so here one we have placed in the end, and what is the other ones count? So other ones count is 4, so 4 counts, 4 ones we placed in the beginning and one at the end. Okay, so this is the output. So this is how we are solving this problem. Now let's submit it and see if all the test cases has been passed or not. So our solution is accepted and it beats 100% of users with Java. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any question, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.